you this video holds the key to a comfortable retirement even without a pension. Today, I'm going to reveal a step-by-step game plan that empowers you to build your retirement fund from scratch, even if you're starting with little or no guidance. Many of us worry about the future when traditional pensions seem out of reach. It can feel like the financial system is rigged against us, whether you're new to managing money or have dabbled in investments before. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable roadmap to transform uncertainty into financial confidence. Let's begin by taking a hard look at your current financial situation. Start by evaluating your income, tracking every monthly expense, and determining how much you're currently able to save. For some of you, this might mean creating a detailed list of expenses, while others may already use digital tools to monitor your cash flow. This honest assessment is crucial. It lays the foundation for everything that follows. Without a clear picture of your financial starting point, you risk building your plan on shaky ground. Now that you know where you stand, it's time to set clear retirement goals. Picture what a comfortable retirement looks like for you. Do you dream of traveling the world, enjoying a peaceful home, or simply having the freedom to live without financial stress? Write down these visions along with a target retirement age and an estimate of the funds you'll need to live your dream. Whether you're just beginning or fine-tuning an existing plan, having well-defined goals ensures you're not underestimating your needs or misdirecting your savings. The stakes are high. Without clear targets, you might miss out on the financial freedom you deserve. With your goals in place, the next step is building your retirement fund. Start by developing a disciplined savings habit. For those new to saving, consider automating your contributions. Set up a system where a portion of your paycheck goes directly into a savings or retirement account. If you're more experienced, look into tax-advantaged options like IRA letters or 401ks. Even if the stock market seems intimidating, diversified investments such as low-cost index funds can steadily grow your money over time. Remember, every dollar you invest today is a building block for your future. Power of compound interest is a secret weapon neglected, and you risk losing out on exponential growth. For those already familiar with basic strategies, let's delve into some advanced moves. Diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's a way to balance risk and reward. Consider expanding beyond traditional investments. Explore options like real estate or peer-to-peer lending to further secure your portfolio. One effective technique is dollar cost averaging, which means investing a fixed amount regularly to mitigate market volatility. These strategies help ensure that your portfolio can weather economic ups and downs, providing stability over time. Stay with me here because later I'll share one little known tip that ties these strategies together into a powerful move for your retirement plan. Let's bring everything together by recapping our journey. We started by taking an honest look at your finances, a critical step that sets the stage for success. Then we define what a comfortable retirement means for you and set clear, measurable goals to guide your savings and investment decisions. Finally, we built a plan that covers both disciplined saving and smart, diversified investing, catering to both beginners and those ready for advanced strategies. Now, here's that secret tip I promised. Maximize your contributions during your peak earning years. When your income is at its highest, temporarily increasing your retirement savings can harness the full power of compound interest. This strategy isn't reserved for seasoned investors. It's a smart move anyone can adopt with a bit of planning. By taking advantage of your peak earning period, you set a stronger foundation for long-term financial security and significantly accelerate your journey to a comfortable retirement. Your future is built on the choices you make today. Every step you take towards understanding your finances, setting clear goals, and making disciplined investments brings you closer to the retirement you deserve. Missing out on these key strategies could mean delaying the secure, worry-free future that's well within your reach. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you now feel empowered to take control of your financial future even without a traditional pension. If you found these insights valuable, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments. Together, let's build a future where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a guaranteed outcome through smart, consistent planning. Here's to a comfortable and secure retirement for everyone.